असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve exercise 2.5 problem number 2. Look at the question. Evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Okay, we don't have to multiply without actual multiplication here. We have to find this product with the use of identities. Okay, we have algebraic identities. With the use of that we can find these products. Okay, right, look at the first question. 101 into 99. Okay, so this we can write 100, we can write 101, we can write 100 plus 1 into 99, we can write 100 minus 1, isn't it? Can you write like this? Yes, it is right. So it is in the form of x plus y into x minus y, that we can write x square minus y square. This identity we can use here. Okay, right. So x is equals to 100 and y is equals to 1 we have. So replace the values. 100 plus 1 into 100 minus 1. Okay, so x square 100 square, in place of x I am writing 100, y in place of y 1. Okay, so what is the value is 100 into 100, we can write this 100 square, we can write 100 into 100 minus 1 square, we can write 1 into 1. Okay, this is nothing but 10,000 minus 1, this is nothing but 9999. If you subtract 1 from 10,000, you will get 9,999. Okay, this is the product sum. What is that? Product of 101 into 99. Okay, here I have found this value without actual multiplication. Okay, right. The use of identities, I got the answer. Right, next go for number 2. Right. So what is the question given? 999 into 999. Okay. So this we can write 999 whole square. Can you write? Yes. Suppose x into x is there, we can write x square. Similarly, we can write 999 into 999 is equals to 999 whole square. And next step we can write this as 1000 minus 1 whole square. 1000 minus 1 nothing but again it becomes 999. Okay, right. So here we can use the identity x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the identity we have to use here. Okay, in place of x we have 1000, y equals to 1 we have. So replace the values with 1001. What becomes? 1000 minus 1 whole square is equals to 1000 whole square minus 2 into x, 1000 into y, 1 plus 1 square. Okay, right. So this is the substitution. Now 1000 into 1000, 1000 square is nothing but 1000 into 1000 minus 2 into it is 1000, 1000 into 1 1000 plus 1 into 1. So what becomes? It becomes, so 1000 into 1000 nothing but 10 lakhs minus 2000 plus 1. So this becomes 10,001 minus 2000. So we have to subtract here. So take here subtraction 10,000,001 minus 2000. So 1 0 0 borrow from here, it becomes 10, 10 minus 2, it is 8, here is 9 remains, 9 remains. It becomes 9 lakhs 98,001. So what is the answer? 9 lakhs 98,001 is the product of 999 into 990. Now problem number 3, 50 and half into 49 and half. So you have to find the product without using actual multiplication. Okay, right. So 50 and half into 49 and half. So this you can write 50 plus half into 50 minus half. Okay, 50 minus half, nothing but 50 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but again 49 1 by 2, 49 and half. Okay, so 50 plus half, it means 50 plus half. Okay, this 15 and half. Okay, right. Now this is in the form of x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square, we can write. So this is in the form of this. So here it is a suitable identity I am going to use. So in place of x 50 is there, in place of y 1 by 2 is there. Okay, right. So 50 plus half into 50 minus half is equals to what it becomes? 50 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. It is nothing but 50 into 50 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 5 5s are 25, nothing but 2500 minus, it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4 is 2500 minus 1 by 4. This becomes, take the cross multiplication, 4 into 2500 minus 1 by 4. Okay, here it is 1 into 1, 1 only. Okay, right. So it is 10,000 minus 1 by 4. Is it okay? 4 into 2500 nothing but 10,000 minus 1 as it is, 4 as it is. Okay, this becomes, if you subtract minus from 10,000, it becomes 9,999 by 4 is the final answer. Now what we got? The product of this, we got 999. So 9,999 by 4. Okay, right. Now we go for problem number 5. Right. Sorry, problem number 4 we'll discuss. This is third one now. Now fourth one, 501 into 501. Okay, this we can write 501 whole square, isn't it? Is it clear? Yes, right. So this 501 we can write 500 plus 1. 501 we can write 500 plus 1 whole square. Okay, right. Now this is in the form of x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the identity we have, that is I am going to use here. So in place of x we have 500, in place of y we have 1. So 500 plus 1 whole square is equals to 500 whole square plus 2 into 500 into 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, this becomes 500 whole square, nothing but 500 into 500 plus 2 into 500, 1000 into 1, 1000 plus 1. So it becomes 5 5 25 4 zeros as it is. Okay, it becomes 2,50,000 plus it is 1001. Okay, so this is nothing but 25,1,001. Okay, 2,51,001 is the product of 501 into 501. Okay, this is the answer. Right. Next we go for problem number 5. Is it clear? So I am going to erase this. Right. Now problem number 5. So the given question. So given question is 30.5 into 29.5. Okay. This 30.5 we can write 30 plus 0.5 into 29.5 we can write 30 minus 0.5, isn't it? 30 minus 0.5 is nothing but again 29.5. 30 plus 0.5 is again nothing but 30.5. Okay, right. So here I am going to use here x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square identity. Okay, so in place of x we have 30, y we have 0.5. Okay, what we can write? 30 plus 0.5 into 30 minus 0.5 is equals to x square means nothing but 30 whole square minus y square 0.5 whole square. Okay, is it clear? Yes, this we can write 30 whole square is nothing but 30 into 30 minus 0.5 whole square nothing but 0.5 into 0.5. Okay, is it clear? Right. Next 30 into 30 nothing but it is 900 minus 0.5 into 0.5 nothing but 0.25. Okay, 5 5 is 25 as it is, 0 take the 0 as it is, decimal point as it is. Okay, 0.5 into 0.5 nothing but 0.25. Now we have to subtract 0.25 from 9,000. Okay, so it is 900, it is, sorry, 30 into 30 is 900. So 900 minus 0.25. Okay, so take the barrow from here, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 2 7 point, here it is 9, here it is 9 and here it becomes 8. So 899.75. 899.75 is the required answer. It means required product. The product is 30.5 into 29.5 is nothing but the product is 899.75. Okay, right. This completes the problem number 2. Okay.